Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel and run is our Leetcode daily challenge problem number 349, intersection of two arrays. So it's a very simple problem to solve, and this can be solved using multiple ways, and we will look into the problem statement first, then we'll check out the approach which we're going to use, and towards the end we'll see the code as well. So starting with the problem statement, it says given two integer arrays nums1 and nums2, return an array of their intersection. Each element in the result must be unique and you may return the result in any order. And they have given the examples over here. So the crux of the question is find the common elements from both the arrays, find the intersection of both the arrays. And all the elements will be unique and it can be in any order. Okay. So to solve this question, it can be solved using multiple ways. For example, you can solve this question using a simple uh, set intersection method. So where you'll pass in your first set dot intersection second set, and this will be done. Or you can use ampersand sign between two sets to get the intersection as well. But just to make sure we know the other approach as well, because in multiple cases interviewers expect us to write the solution from scratch without using any of the inbuilt method. So what we will be doing, we'll be using two dictionaries. No, sorry. What I'll do, I'll just simply use a single set, and I'll convert this nums1 array into a set, so that we are just simply removing all the duplicate elements. Okay, so my nums1 becomes this 1 and 2 only. Okay, now just simply iterate this array one nums1 array for I in nums1. Okay, and check if this I is in nums2 or not. This is nums2. Okay, and if I in nums2, then we can say okay, this was our common element, so we can add that into our result. And the order anyways doesn't matter, so there won't be any issue. And at the end we'll just simply return this result array which we are maintaining. So this is one of the ways. Or what you can do, you can just simply use set of num1 and set of num2. Or there is another method. We will take set n1 dot intersection, okay, intersection fits with set n2. So these are the three methods which can be used. There are multiple there are many other ways as well, using sets only. Okay, so yeah, let's check out the code as well. It will be a very simple code. So as you can see, what we are doing over here, we have converted the list into a set, and by doing so we have removed all the duplicate elements. We have defined an empty array for the result, and we're just simply iterating the values in nums1 and checking if any of that is in nums2 or not. Okay, if we find the key in nums2, we will just simply append that in the resultant array, and towards the end we are just simply returning the resultant array. So let's check out the test cases. And the test cases got clear. Let's submit it for further evaluation now. Okay, yeah, so as you can see, the solution got accepted and performed well. But yeah, so this was the solution, guys. Thanks a ton for watching out the video. Stay tuned for the upcoming ones. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.